Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Garlic pepper beef delivers bold flavor without the fuss. The combination of garlic's rich aroma and black pepper's sharp heat transforms simple ingredients into a standout dish. It's a favorite in many Asian-inspired recipes, but it works just as well in wraps, salads, or over rice. Best of all, it comes together quickly, perfect for weeknight meals with big taste. This recipe keeps things easy while packing in serious flavor. Fresh garlic, coarsely ground pepper, and tender beef create a balance that's hard to resist. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, it's a flexible dish that fits any meal. The origins of garlic pepper beef. Garlic pepper beef isn't tied to one specific culture, it's more of a flavor combo that popped up independently in different kitchens. While beef isn't historically dominant in many East Asian cuisines, garlic and black pepper have been staple ingredients for centuries. The pairing likely gained traction as global trade expanded, blending traditions and taste preferences. A nod to Chinese stir-fries. In China, stir-fried beef with garlic and pepper isn't a named dish in traditional cookbooks, but the method screams Cantonese wok cooking. High heat, minimal ingredients, and bold seasoning define it. You'll find versions with thinly sliced beef for quick cooking. A splash of soy sauce or oyster sauce for depth. Sichuan peppercorns for an extra punch. The Western take. American Chinese restaurants popularized garlic pepper beef as a menu staple, often pairing it with bell peppers or onions. The black pepper here leans heavier, sometimes with a buttery finish. Think pepper steak without the gravy. It's proof that fusion food doesn't need to be fancy to work. How it evolved. Today, you'll see this combo everywhere. Filipino beef adds calamansi juice for acidity. Korean janjoram braisers beef in garlic pepper soy broth. Thai street food tosses it with holy basil. The core idea stays the same, garlic for richness, pepper for heat, and beef as the blank canvas. Whether it's served over jasmine rice or stuffed into tortillas, the flavors adapt without losing their kick. Key ingredients for authentic garlic pepper beef. Great garlic pepper beef starts with the right ingredients. The dish relies on a few strong flavors to stand out, so quality matters. From the beef cut to the way you grind the pepper, small details make a big difference. Choosing the right cut of beef. Not all beef cuts work equally well here. You want something tender enough to absorb flavors quickly but sturdy enough to hold up during cooking. Skip the tough, chewy options and focus on these. Flank steak. Thinly sliced, it cooks fast and stays tender. Sirloin. A bit more marbling adds richness without fat overload. Skirt steak. Delivers deep beef flavor, just trim excess fat. Ribeye. If you're feeling fancy, the marbling melts into the dish. Freeze the beef for 30 minutes before slicing. This makes thin, even cuts easier and prevents overcooking. The role of garlic and black pepper. Fresh garlic and cracked black pepper pull most of the weight in this dish. Here's how to maximize them. Garlic. Fresh cloves beat pre-minced jars every time. Crush, don't chop, to release more oils. Use at least 4 cloves for a bold punch. Black pepper. Pre-ground pepper tastes dusty. Grind it fresh for sharp, spicy heat. Coarse cracks add texture. Cook the garlic just until golden. Burnt garlic turns bitter fast. Optional ingredients for customization. Garlic pepper beef welcomes extras. Play with these if you want to tweak the flavor. Sauces. A splash of soy sauce or oyster sauce deepens the savory notes. Fish sauce adds funk. Acids. Lime juice or rice vinegar brightens the dish. Veggies. Bell peppers, onions, or mushrooms bulk it up without stealing the spotlight. Herbs. Thai basil or cilantro tossed in at the end adds freshness. The base recipe stays simple, but these tweaks let you tailor it to your mood. Step-by-step cooking guide. Garlic pepper beef comes together fast, but the technique makes all the difference. A good marinade tenderizes the meat, while the right cooking method locks in flavor. Here's how to nail every step, whether you're stir-frying or grilling. Marinating the beef. Start with thin slices of beef, about 1/4 inch thick, so the marinade penetrates quickly. For every pound of beef, use crushed garlic, freshly cracked black pepper, soy sauce or fish sauce for extra umami, sugar to balance the salt and heat, neutral oil to prevent sticking. Mix everything in a bowl, then massage the marinade into the beef. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes. 30 is better. No need to over-marinate. The garlic and pepper lose their punch if soaked too long. Cooking techniques: stir-fry versus grill. Stir-fry method. Heat a wok or skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a splash of oil, then toss in the beef in a single layer. Don't crowd the pan. Cook undisturbed for 1 minute to get a sear, then stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until just done. Remove the beef immediately to prevent toughness. Tip: if adding veggies, cook them first, then set aside before browning the beef. Grill method. Pat the beef dry to avoid steam. Wet meat won't char well. Grill over direct high heat for 2 minutes per side, just enough for grill marks without overcooking. Let it rest for 3 minutes before slicing. Bonus: baste with melted butter mixed with extra black pepper during grilling for a richer finish. We've prepped and started cooking the garlic pepper beef. The aroma's already amazing. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish the dish and show you how to serve it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.